Hello, this is Jayashree Chauhan. I'm a student of Masters in Technology in IT from International Institute of Professional Studies TABB. This video is a part of an assignment given by Dr. Saligram Prajapat sir. In this video, I'm explaining Module 3, so let's get started. So first is Module 3 is Exploratory Data Analysis. Exploratory data analysis in the Python is the process of examining and visualizing a dataset to understand its main characteristics. It involves using Python code to create plots, charts, and statistics that help uncover pattern, trends, and outer layer in the data. So first is how to construct a bar graph with overlay using Python. To create a bar graph with overlay using Python, you can use a library like matplotlib. First import the library, then use its functions to plot two sets of bars on the same graph, specifying the positions and widths of the bars and add labels and legends for clarity. This helps compare two sets of data visually. I will show the code. This is the code of construct a bar graph with overlay, and this is the output. Second is how to construct contingency table using Python. To build a contingency table in Python, you can use the pandas libraries, import it and organizing your data into data frame. Then use the cross-type functions specifying the variables you want to analyze. To create a table showing the frequency of accuracy, helping you understand relationship between categorical and variables. This is the code of contingency table, and this is the output. Third is how to construct histograms with overlay using Python. To make histogram with overlay in Python, you can use matplotlib, import the library, then use the hist functions to plot each dataset individually on the same graph. Adjust parameters like color or temporary for clarity, transparency for clarity. This enables you can compare the distributions of two datasets by overlaying their histograms. I will show the code of histogram. This is the code of histogram, and this is the output. Fourth is how to perform beginning based or predictive values using Python. To perform beginning based on predictive values in Python, use a library like pandas, create beans for your data, then group or category, categories the values accordingly, calculate a predictive values for each bean, and use this information to guide the beginning process. The approach help in growing and analyzing data based on its predicted impact or behavior. This is the code, and this is the output.